Let's look at how can we derive the text multiplier in the Keynesian clause. Now we know the goods market equilibrium condition is given to us as y is equal to AD, which can be written as y is equal to C plus I plus J. Now we can write this equilibrium condition in terms of changes. So we can write it as delta y is delta C plus delta I plus delta J. Since we're interested in seeing how output or income changes as taxes change, so we're going to assume I and G don't change. So delta I is delta G is equal to 0. So then it turns out delta y is equal to delta C. Now we know that C is equal to C naught, which is autonomous consumption, plus MPC times Y minus T. Y minus T is disposable income. So in this case, delta C is equal to delta C naught plus MPC times delta Y minus delta T. Autonomous consumption isn't changing here. So delta C is MPC times delta Y minus delta T. So we have delta Y is equal to MPC times delta Y minus delta T. So now here we'll make delta y the subject and we'll get delta y is equal to minus MPC divided by 1 minus MPC delta t. So in this case, this ratio, which is delta y by delta t, is equal to minus MPC by 1 minus MPC is our text multiplier, which tells us how much output or income changes how much output or income changes if taxes change by $1. Now the sign over here is negative because when you increase taxes, disposable income decreases, that decreases consumption, and hence output decreases. So there's an inverse relationship between output and taxes, which is signified by this minus sign. Now the text multiplier is smaller than government spending multiplier because the government spending multiplier, we're talking about in terms of magnitude. You know, the government spending multiplier was 1 by 1 minus MPC. So over here in the numerator, you have MPC, which is between 0 and 1. So in terms of magnitude, the text multiplier is smaller than the government spending multiplier.